just at the eastern tip of Java lies an island famed throughout the world for its great beauty, Bali, Isle of Enchantment, a land of happy, quiet people. The Balinese have developed an elaborate and beautiful culture, much of their artistry centering on the dances for which they are famed throughout the world. The first dance we see is the Légong, one of the oldest and most beautiful of all Balinese dances. It is performed by young children trained from the cradle in the intricacies of the dance movements. Their dancing days are done when they reach the age of 11 or 12 years. Their dusky faces, radiant with happiness and joy of life, have a quiet beauty which is all their own. Their poise is perfect, their movements full of grace. The settings and the costumes are magnificent. Like so many non-European peoples, the Balinese put on more clothes when they wish to celebrate or make themselves particularly alluring. Changes to a modern Balinese dance